Hi, it's me, Junk Journaling Jen. So I'm here with a cleanup video. And, okay, so I've had this storage bin and it's been a long time. It's kind of like, you know, you would put your feet on it. It's like a step stool thing. And it opens, right? Boom, opens. It has two tiers. So there's the lid and there's the bottom. So what I'm going to use this for, because it doesn't really close properly all the time. And sometimes when you sit on it, you feel like you're going to fall over. And then it's not all that comfortable for your feet either. So anyways, it doesn't go on there right. And it just is more of an irritation. I was actually going to get rid of it. And then I had the idea of small scraps, medium scraps, and large scraps. What do you think of that? I could really use a hammer right now. Ugh. Gross. Oh, I have a rock. So, what do you think about that? Right? So small scraps. So I can really spread them out. And then we'll do medium scraps and then we'll do large scraps. Cool? So I'm gonna get started on that. I'm actually gonna put this one down below and keep these two above. And we're gonna be starting dinner here soon. I just got the signal. So we're gonna just real quick. This is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna have to dump it, people. We're gonna have to dump it. We're gonna have to go small over here. Everything here. And I'm thinking what we may also have to do, because now we're getting into the nitty-gritty of it, right? We have stamps in here. I'm seeing like little tickets. We got some fun stuff in here, right? To build ephemera. So, what are we gonna do? All right, we're gonna have to think this through. Yeah, we need to go through it. We're gonna call that medium. I think that's what we're gonna do. See, and then it's like, that's actually something we can use in the journal. I think that's what we're gonna put over there. And then I think we're gonna need two other bins, guys. So let me come back so we can get a good sorting. Okay? Gotta think this thing through. Be back. Okay, I'm making major headway here. So I'm doing large scraps in here. Okay, so I have some just, you know, large scrappy things. Okay. So I decided to do that. Chose to do that. And that's going to be easy just to throw under my desk. And then I went to go ahead and do, I'm calling these medium. Can you kind of get the idea of the size? Okay. Some of those might look small to you, but those are medium to me. And then, haha, this really worked out. So these are like Dollar Tree, 99 cents. Found them in my garage. I used to use them for building things, and I still use them for building things. Like this is the next project. So all the small little, you know how you cut little things, little tags people put on things, right? Just the little tchotchke cute things. You know, I add this always to the journals. Oh, it's so cool on paper. You know I'm gonna do something with that. And the bamboo, cute, huh? Okay, so that's all that tchotchke stuff. You know, after you cut out your butterflies and, right? Okay, tchotchke. Then, this is the larger stuff. Like my husband, he'll work on these little cards. It's just like trying out things. Let's see, naked journals, only Jesus, an A, and there's a C. So when I do a master board, I'll stick these originals in there. Just because they're scraps to him. And then, yeah, it's just all these little fun things. Cute. So there's the idea. So then that's the, so you see how those are small? These are kind of medium, right? And then these are the small scraps from everything. So that'll give you an idea, and that'll all fit right underneath my desk, which I'm so stoked about because I did not have a great organization space for that. So, yay, I'm so excited I got that done. Oh, and my husband just brought in, are those radishes?
Yeah.
Here, hold on, I'm filming. Look at this harvest. Wow, I don't want to get my desk wet, but look at this radish. Wow, huge, so cool. Here, be careful over the computer. Wow. Trash truck, okay. Yay, well, that was a great ending to a video, right? Cleaning off my desk here. The guys just harvested radishes and peppers. How cool. Cool, cool, cool. I think there's tomatoes out there too. So anyways, thanks so much for joining me. Sorry it got loud. Let the door open. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you're having a great night. And please share, like, and subscribe to this video. And I will see you in the very next one. Take care. Bye.